Hello, welcome back. I promised to show my GALAXEUS arcade cabinet that I built from old ISA hardware, but I won't do it in this video because I went through the collection of my VGA cards, which my wife calls the junkyard, and I found a pretty awesome card. It's called the MCT-VGA-16, and the chipset is a TD3588A chipset. I must admit I've never heard about this chipset, but when testing my cards for speed, I found this card to go as high as 89 Hertz and 89 frames per second on the old ISA hardware. And I think that's pretty awesome. So I just want to show you in a short clip. I made some modifications to the engine, so now I can add parameters for the VGA timing. And this one here I used gets me to 89 Hertz and 89 frames per second. The game is running quite fast now because all of the engine's timing is bound to the vertical refresh, but it's smooth, no stutter, nothing. It works like a charm. It really works like a charm. And yes, I find it's quite astonishing to reach such frames per second on this old ISA hardware. Okay, my cabinet. I think I will prepare my cabinet this weekend for a nice video about the cabinet build. It's quite different to my testing setup, but still all old ISA hardware from the 80s. I did not use any modern components except for the TFT display and the TFT controller. I did not want to add a CRT to the cabinet. Okay, see you. Thanks for watching.